How are you doing? Are you watching our videos? Well, this is your Vashti from ZPHS Rayakuduru. Keep learning, keep practicing the secret of success. Friends, today's topic is may and might. Both may and might are used to express possibility or probability for asking or giving permission and for polite way of asking a question. Okay friends, shall we start? Come on.
Hi.
Hi.
Look at the sky.
Okay.
How is it?
It's cloudy.
How are the clouds?
They are dark.
So, it may rain.
Maybe.
Hi,
Hi,
where is Navya?
I don't know where she is, but her friend Nikita may know.
Maybe she knows. I will ask her. Bye.
Bye.
Hi,
Hi.
Akila is absent today.
She did not come to school yesterday either.
What could be the reason?
She may be ill.
Maybe. Hi. Hi.
Where is Teju? Have you seen her?
No, I haven't. But she may be on the ground floor.
Maybe. I will go search.
Hi.
Hi.
Look at the sky. Are there any dark clouds?
No, there aren't. The sky is very clear today.
So, it may not rain.
Okay. Hi.
Hi.
Do you know where Anta is?
She might be having lunch.
Might be.
Hi.
Hi.
Is Nikita coming tomorrow?
No, she may not. Hey, there is something in my fist. Can you guess what it is?
Okay, let me try.
Okay.
Is it an eraser?
No, it's not.
It's sharpener, isn't it?
No, not at all.
It may be your hairband.
No.
Maybe a safety pin.
Nay.
Maybe a hair plucker.
No. Okay. I will describe it. Try to find, okay? It's white in color, it's cylindrical in shape, but it's not heavy, it's very light. It wears away to remove our ignorance. To put it in a nutshell, it decreases to increase our knowledge. What is it? Okay, I will give you one more hint. It had been working with blackboard till 2020, but it has been working with greenboard since 2020.
Yes, it's a chalk piece.
Exactly, but we should not say chalk piece.
Then what should we say?
A piece of chalk.
Right.
Hi,
Hi.
what are you looking for?
I'm looking for my English project book.
Have you seen inside your desk?
Yes, I have, but it's not there.
Then you may have given it to someone else.
Maybe.
Hey, where is my bag?
Your bag?
Yes.
You might have left it in the cycle shed.
Oh, might be.
May I come in, ma'am?
Yes, you may.
Ma'am, may I have some water?
Yes, you may.
Ma'am, may I go out?
Yes, you may.
Good morning, teacher.
Very good morning.
It's my birthday today.
Have a fabulous birthday.
Thank you, teacher. Please bless me, teacher.
May you have a bright future.
Hi.
Hi.
Where is our friend Ramya?
Maybe she is home.
Why? What happened?
Her beloved grandmother passed away last night.
Oh, I'm sorry. May her soul rest in peace.
Let's meet her in the evening.
Certainly.
Excuse me,
Yes.
I have lost my ruler. May I use yours?
Yes, you may.
Thank you.
Friends, do you know the difference between may and might? Okay, let me say. There is no any big difference between may and might. It's very simple. May is used when there is more likely to happen, and might is used when there is less likely to happen. In other words, we can say may can be used when there is a strong possibility of happening of an event, whereas might can be used when there are few chances of occurrence of an event. Okay?
Friends, we strongly believe that you can use may and might easily in your daily life whenever necessary after watching this video. And we promise you that we will get back with a different topic, and don't forget to post your comments to this number 90101-81123 in case the comments are turned off. Okay friends, thank you so much for watching it till the end. Have a nice day. Your SEKHAR'S English. Bye bye.